Hey guys, my name's Taylor. We recently worked with Roy and Harmony Basements for our basement renovation project. We met with several companies before ultimately choosing Diego and Harmony in the end. We needed laundry, bathroom, and space for our little guy. Our big thing was we needed it done quickly, and Diego came in and gave us a timeline. Much faster than we had even anticipated, and ultimately got it done in the exact time frame that we were given. So we couldn't be happier with the end result. Good people, couldn't be happier. Harmony and the Harmony Basements team to anybody if they were looking for a project done.